Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering OpenAI's investment in a brain-computer interface startup using ultrasound technology, Anthropic's new visual interface for their agentic AI system, and the return of key researchers to OpenAI from a rival lab. OpenAI is making a significant move beyond its core software business by backing Merge Labs, a startup focused on non-invasive brain-computer interfaces. The company participated in a $252 million funding round for Merge Labs, which was co-founded by Sam Altman himself. What sets Merge Labs apart from companies like Neuralink is their approach to connecting brains with computers. Rather than requiring surgical implants, Merge is developing technology that uses ultrasound to read and interpret neural signals. This means no surgery, no electrodes inserted into brain tissue, just external devices that can pick up on what your neurons are doing. OpenAI's role in this partnership goes beyond just writing checks. The company will be helping build foundation models specifically designed to interpret the complex data that comes from monitoring brain activity. Think about it like this. Your brain produces an enormous amount of electrical and chemical activity every second, and making sense of all that noise requires sophisticated pattern recognition, exactly the kind of thing large AI models excel at. Sam Altman commented on the investment, saying AI will be essential to understanding neural data at scale. The early focus areas for Merge Labs appear to be mental health applications and treating brain injuries, and they have already begun safety trials in the United Kingdom. This represents a fascinating expansion of where OpenAI sees itself fitting into the broader technology landscape. Anthropic has quietly rolled out something called Claude Cowork, which represents a meaningful shift in how people might interact with AI systems going forward. Up until now, if you wanted to use Anthropic's more capable agentic features through Claude Code, you needed to be comfortable working in a command line environment. That is basically a text-based interface where you type commands directly, something most everyday computer users never touch. Claude Cowork changes that by wrapping all those capabilities in a visual interface that feels more like using regular software. The new system lets users give Claude access to files on their computer and have it execute multi-step tasks autonomously. It can even spin up what Anthropic calls sub-agents, essentially smaller AI processes that handle specific parts of a larger job. One fascinating detail is that Claude Cowork was built largely by Claude itself in under 2 weeks. A Time reporter covering the launch noted, "This is where AI stops answering and starts doing," which captures the shift pretty well. We have grown accustomed to chatbots that respond to questions, but this moves toward AI that actually completes work on your behalf. The system runs on Claude Opus 4.5 and is available initially to premium subscribers. Anthropic is positioning this as an AI coworker rather than just another chatbot, though they acknowledge it still has limitations when tasks move outside technical domains. There has been notable movement in the talent landscape at OpenAI, with 3 senior researchers returning to the company after spending time at Thinking Labs, the startup founded by former OpenAI Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati. These researchers work in core model development and alignment, which is the field focused on making sure AI systems behave in ways that match human intentions and values. Their return comes after months of leadership changes and departures across major AI labs, so this is being viewed internally as a stabilizing development. The timing matters because competition among frontier labs has never been more intense. Anthropic continues pushing forward aggressively, Google DeepMind remains a formidable force, and the race to develop more capable models shows no signs of slowing. Having experienced researchers recommit to OpenAI suggests confidence in where the company is headed. As one outlet put it, this represents a strong vote of confidence in OpenAI's roadmap. The researchers will be rejoining teams working on the most advanced models and the safety research that accompanies them. These developments point toward an industry that continues maturing rapidly. Brain interfaces moving toward practical applications, AI systems transitioning from conversation partners to active collaborators, and talented researchers finding their footing as the field evolves. all suggest we are entering a phase where the technology becomes more deeply integrated into both specialized and everyday contexts. The tools are becoming more accessible, the applications more ambitious, and the teams building them more stable. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.